What is a minimalist travel capsule wardrobe?
A minimalist travel capsule wardrobe is a carefully selected collection of clothing items that can be mixed and matched for maximum versatility. Designed to fit in a small suitcase or backpack, these essentials help you travel light without sacrificing style. The goal is to save space, time, and stress by packing items that work for multiple situations and weather conditions.
Choose a color palette.
Start by selecting a neutral color palette for your clothes, such as black, white, navy, or gray. Add 1 or 2 accent colors that you love. Choosing complementary colors makes it easy to layer and coordinate outfits, so you can create more combinations with fewer pieces. Sticking to simple colors also helps your wardrobe seamlessly fit various cultural and social settings.
Focus on essential pieces.
Pack only what you truly need. Consider versatile items like a plain t-shirt, a button-down shirt, a pair of jeans, comfortable trousers, and a lightweight sweater. Include a compact jacket and a dress or skirt if desired. Each piece should be able to pair with others in multiple ways. Prioritize clothing that is practical, comfortable, and suits your planned activities.
Pick clothing that layers well.
Layering is key to handling changing temperatures and climates. Opt for light, breathable fabrics that can be worn together or separately. Bring items like a thin thermal top, a scarf, and a packable rain shell. This approach lets you stay comfortable without overpacking, and you'll be prepared for both warm days and cool nights wherever you go.
Select multi-purpose shoes and accessories.
Limit yourself to 2 or 3 pairs of shoes, such as comfortable walking shoes, compact sneakers, and lightweight sandals. Choose accessories like a packable tote bag or a simple hat that serve multiple functions. Remember, each item should add value and flexibility to your travel wardrobe without taking up unnecessary space.
Care for and rotate your wardrobe.
With fewer items, you'll need to maintain wear clothes on the go. Choose machine washable, quick dry fabrics for easy cleaning. Wash items as needed and air them out to keep them fresh. Rotate outfits to reduce wear and keep your capsule collection looking great throughout your travels.